Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about how to fix email notification not working on iPhone. So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos, so do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. So how to fix this issue? First solution, you have switch from mobile data to Wi-Fi. If you are using mobile data on your iPhone, it is possible that you might not be getting good internet speed. We suggest switching from mobile data to Wi-Fi. If getting good internet speed, we suggest you have switching the mobile data to Wi-Fi data. That will help your iPhone enjoy much faster internet speed. You have open the setting, click on Wi-Fi. You have connect the best available network around you. Then second solution, you have force quit and reopen the mail app. While you have using the mail app on your iPhone, so you have open the mail app open, and then you have force quit. At times the mail app need the fresh reboot. That means you will need to use the multitasking interface on your iPhone to force quit the mail app, and then you have to launch it again. That will give it a fresh start after stopping it process from running in the background. Here's how you can force quit the mail app and then your problem will be fixed. Then third solution, you have updated the iOS version. Have you been delaying to install any iOS version update just with the fear of losing all your data? Well, that might be the reason where your iPhone runs an old version of Mail app. We suggest checking for an iOS update on your iPhone available to update the Mail app to its latest version. Here's how to check the same. So you have open the setting, click on General, click on Software Update. iOS latest version available on your iPhone, so you must be installed on your iPhone iOS latest version. The last solution, you have check mail app notification setting after you connect to a Wi-Fi network. If you are still unable to receive email notification, you will need to the check notification setting for email app. It is possible that you may made some changes previously for your iPhone to receive your email notification. Here's how you can verify the notification setting for the mail app and make changes if required. So you have open the setting, click on mail app, click on notification from allow your on your iPhone, then your problem will be fixed and 100% working. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.